Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from hookedandloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I have a very cute and easy crochet bookmark pattern for you, and I'm sure you will love it. So let's begin the tutorial. For this project I have used embroidery floss and a crochet hook of size 1.75 mm. Okay, so let's begin. We will take the thread and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it, and then we will make our foundation chains for the bird. Okay, so for that we will do chains 7 at first, we will then slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. In the next chain we will do one single crochet stitch. In the next chain we will do one half double crochet, followed by one double crochet in the next chain. In the following chain we will do one half triple crochet stitch, and now we are left with the last chain. In the last chain we will be doing 5 triple crochet stitches. We will now be working on the other side of the chains. So in the following chain we will do one half triple crochet stitch, followed by one double crochet stitch in the next chain. In the following chain we will be doing one half double crochet stitch, and then in the next chain we will do one single crochet stitch. We are now left with the last chain. We will do a slip stitch there, and with this the first round ended. We will begin the second round. For this we will do a chain 3 at first. This chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of this round. In the same stitch we will be doing one double crochet stitch. Okay, and then in the following stitch we will do 2 double crochet stitches. The following stitch is the single crochet stitch, and there we are doing 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, in this manner in the next 3 stitches also we will be doing 2 double crochets in each of those stitches. So we will quickly do our stitches there. Now in the following 5 stitches we will be doing 2 half triple crochets in each one of those. So we will start doing our stitches. We are doing 2 half triple crochets in each of the following 5 stitches. Okay. So our half triple crochet stitches are done. Now in the following 4 stitches we will be doing 2 double crochets in each one of those. Okay, in this manner. We will complete this round and it's done. At the end we will simply do a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 3. So this chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of the tail of the bird. In the same stitch we will do 1 double crochet stitch. Okay, and in the next stitch we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches. So the first round of the tail is done. For the next round we will be doing a chain 3. This chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of this second round of the tail. Turn your work, and in the following 3 stitches we will be doing 1 double crochet in each one of those. And with the last double crochet our tail ended, so we will do a chain 1 and simply cut the yarn. So the body and the tail of the bird is now ready. We will now make a small head. For that we will take the same yarn and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. Now find a suitable position where you want to make the head. Just do a slip stitch in any stitch of your choice at the top portion obviously. So just do a slip stitch followed by a chain 3. Okay. Then simply turn your work like this and skip the following stitch, and in the next stitch after that just do a slip stitch there. Okay, but after skipping the stitch do a slip stitch in the next stitch and turn your work again. Okay, now we will be doing 11 double crochet stitches in the same stitch where we began doing the chain 3. Okay, like this. So we will be doing 11 double crochet stitches in that particular stitch where we slip stitched, like this. So a semicircular type of shape will be formed soon at the end of our 11 double crochet stitches. Okay, we will complete that, and then after that we will skip the following stitch, and in the next stitch after that we will just do a slip stitch followed by a chain 1, and then we will cut the yarn, and the head of the bird is now ready. Now we will be making the wing of the bird. So for that we will take a contrasting colored yarn and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. The steps are just the same as that of the first round of the body of the bird. So we are doing chain 7 for the foundation chains. Okay, and then we will slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. In the next chain we will do one single crochet stitch. We will do one half double crochet in the following chain. And then in the next chain we will do one double crochet stitch, followed by one half triple crochet in the next chain. Okay. We are now left with the last chain, and there we will be doing 5 triple crochet stitches. We will now be working on the other side of the chain. So in the following chain we are doing one half triple crochet stitch, followed by one double crochet stitch in the next chain. In the following chain we will do one half double crochet stitch, and then one single crochet stitch in the following chain. In the last chain we will do a slip stitch, followed by a chain 1, and now we will just cut the yarn. So the wing is also ready. We will be stitching the wing to the bird's body later on. Now we will be making the beak of the bird, so we will take the thread, make a slip knot, insert the hook in it, and in a suitable position of the head of the bird, just do a slip stitch in your desired stitch, followed by a chain 3. Then in the first and the second stitch we will do one half triple crochet 2 together stitch. Okay, in this manner. Followed by a chain 1 and just cut the yarn, and the beak of the bird is now ready. All the portions of the bird is now ready. We will just stitch the wing to the bird's body and weave in the loose ends. There is no definite way of stitching the wing. Just take a needle and thread and stitch the wing to the bird's body. Okay, and it's ready. I have also stitched a bead for the eyes of the bird. Now we will be making the branch of the tree. For that I have taken a brown colored thread and made a slip knot and inserted the hook in it. And now we will be doing the foundation chains. Make as many number of chains as you want. I have chosen chain 53, that is chain 50 plus chain 3. That last chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of the next round. So we will quickly do our 53 chains. Okay, and we have done it. And now we will do one double crochet stitch in the 5th chain from the hook. Okay, so we did 2 double crochet stitches in the beginning, and now we will be doing 1 double crochet in each of the following 18 stitches. Okay, so the first 20 double crochet stitches are done. Now we will be making the side branch. For that we will do chain 12. Okay, that is chain 10 plus chain 2. last chain 2 that we did after chain 10 is the first half double crochet of the next round. Okay, so we will do quickly chain 12 and then yarn over. Okay, all the chain 12s are done. Yarn over and do one half double crochet stitch in the fourth chain from the hook, and then one half double crochet in each of the following 8 chains. Okay, so in total we are doing 10 half double crochet stitches for the side branch. I have chosen half double crochet stitch because I wanted this branch to be thinner than the main branch. Okay, so we will quickly complete our total 10 half double crochet stitches, and then we will just slip stitch in the following chain where we did the 20th double crochet stitch from the beginning. Okay, now we will continue doing our double crochet stitches. So we will do one double crochet in each of the following 10 chains. Okay, after the 10 double crochet stitches in the following chain we will be doing 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, for the turning of the branch. So in the next chain we are doing 3 double crochet stitches. This will tend to bend the branch. Okay, done. In the following 5 chains we will be doing 1 double crochet stitch in each one of those. Okay, now we will do a slight bending of the branch. So in the following chain we will be doing 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet stitch. So we are doing 1 double crochet in the next chain, and in the same chain we are doing 1 half double crochet stitch. This will create a small bending. In the remaining chains we will do 1 half double crochet in each of these chains till the second last chain. We have come to the end of this round nearly. So in the second last chain we are doing 1 half double crochet stitch, and then at the end in the last chain we will simply do a slip stitch there, followed by a chain 1, and then we will just cut the yarn, and with this the branch is now ready. We will just weave in the loose ends. Okay, now we will be making the leaves. At first we will make the small leaves, so for that I have taken a green colored yarn, made a slip knot and inserted the hook in it, and now we will be doing chain 7 for the foundation chains. And then in the second chain from the hook we will do a slip stitch. In the next chain we will do one single crochet stitch, followed by one half double crochet stitch in the next chain. In the following chain we will do two double crochet stitches. And then in the next chain we will do one single crochet stitch. In the last chain we will simply do a slip stitch. And now we will be working on the other side of the chains. So in the following chain we will do one single crochet stitch, two double crochet stitches in the following chain, we will do one half double crochet stitch in the next chain, followed by one single crochet stitch in the next chain, and then in the last chain we will simply do a slip stitch, followed by a chain 1, and just cut the yarn and pull the yarn in this manner. So make as many number of leaves as you want. Now I'm showing you the pattern for the bigger leaves. So take the yarn, make a slip knot and insert the hook in it, and then do chain 10 as a foundation chain. Then in the second chain from the hook we will do a slip stitch there, followed by one single crochet in the next chain, one half double crochet in the following chain, one double crochet in the next chain, followed by two half triple crochets in the next chain. In the following chain we will be doing one double crochet stitch, and in the next two chains we will be doing one single crochet in each one of those. In the last chain simply do a slip stitch, and now we will be working on the other side of the leaves. So in the following chain we will do one single crochet also in the next chain. In the next chain we will do one double crochet stitch, two half triple crochet stitches in the following chain. I have slightly increased the speed because we are just doing the mirror image stitches of the first half of the leaf, okay? Then in the following chain we will do one double crochet stitch, followed by one half double crochet stitch in the next chain, and then in the following chain we will do one single crochet stitch, and in the last chain we will simply do a slip stitch followed by chain 1, and we will cut the yarn. And with this the bigger leaves are also done. Make as many number of big leaves as you want, okay, for decorating the branches. So now we will decorate our branch. We will place the bird on the horizontal branch and stitch the leaves in this manner I am showing you. If you want you can add flowers also. Just stitch these, okay. I have already stitched one leaf and the bird. I am showing you how I am stitching these with the other leaves. The stitching is just simple. There is no definite way, okay. In this manner simply do the stitching and just go along the branch as I am showing you. In this manner, just go along the border of the branch and just stitch the leaves in your desired position of the branch. Okay. We are stitching another leaf to the branch in just the same manner, like this. Okay. In this manner, we will continue stitching the other leaves, and at the end we will simply do a knot and cut the yarn. Okay, and we will weave in the loose ends, and finally our bookmark is now ready. Our cute funky bookmark is now ready, and I hope the pattern was really easy and fast too. I hope it was easy for you to follow and you liked this tutorial. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. I also have a website at www.hookedinloops.com, so check it out. You will get my crochet patterns there. You will get the written pattern for this tutorial very soon in my website, so subscribe to my website too. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you and have a great day.